Today, let's learn how to solve allow access to camera missing issue on iPhone. Well, maybe the application that you have downloaded is missing some files. Make sure to double check if you have downloaded the application properly, and to do so, if you have downloaded a specific application that requires a camera, go ahead and delete it again, and then I want you to install it again from the App Store. So basically, you reinstall the application and have a fresh new install onto your phones. If the problem is still persisting, what you could also do is to just reset your device, so head on over onto the assistive touch. Or you could also press your power button and as well as your volume up and down buttons at the same time for a few seconds. And I'm going to show you guys what that looks like. And then boom, we want you to head on over and shut down your device and turn it back on again. But what you could also do is to head on over and click the assistive touch button and then head on over on device head and over on more and click on restart right here in the lower left corner of the assistive touch. And it will automatically restart your device and possibly solve your allow access to camera missing issue on iPhone. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Hey guys, today, let's learn how to authenticate our Google account without a phone. Well, there's this something that we call two-factor authentication. You actually need a phone for this. But if you head on over and use another device, like let's say an iPad or even a PC to use Google's two-factor authentication, you could actually head on and use that instead of using your phones. So basically, if you want to use another device, or if you want to authenticate your Google account using two-factor authentication, using the Google Authenticator right here, you could actually head on and use a third-party device other than your phone to do this. All you need to do is to download the application on that specific device other than your phone, and then use that to authenticate your Google account. Okay guys, thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.